Welcome guys, my name is CryptoSteve and this is my YouTube live stream going live because Bitcoin is doing something great today, and that is it's breaking out. So are you today? Are you feeling great? I'm feeling great because today I bought some Bitcoin on 7,150 level, at this level right here. And as you can see, there is an indicator that says inside outside bar with alerts. It's a great thing to have because when it's breaking out, you can trade with this strategy. I think it's very great. This was a choppy action. Who shorted this and who longed this? We didn't know because this was a symmetrical triangle pattern. The dominant trend is on the downside, but Bitcoin broke out. So if you took this long trade and your target would be the measure moved. So the measure moved is $7,450. That is, I think, the resistance from the weekly. If we go on the weekly level, you can see that this level is a key resistance. So for us to be bullish, Bitcoin needs to break this high and stay above it, and the next resistance probable is this. So if Bitcoin breaks 7,400, the next resistance is 8,200. So if you want to long this, my suggestion is to go long from this breakout and test the support. If the support fails, then yeah, the price will go lower, probably in the range of 6,200. And currently, if you're long, you will go, let's take how much you will make if you're long. So let's do something like this. This is a good risk to reward ratio. It gives you 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So the probable target for now for me, if Bitcoin breaks 7,400, 7,300 and stays above it, the next target will be 8,200. And I don't have any indicators right now. Only this one that says bullish divergence. I don't know why it does it say bullish divergence. Maybe because it's yeah, maybe because the indicator is also, this indicator says bullish divergence, but this is not bullish divergence because we have higher low and this is a lower high, and this is yeah, the indicator is screwed sometimes. This is a bullish divergence. Let me give you some lesson on TA. This was a bullish divergence because we had a higher low and a lower low, but the indicator said buy. We have a higher low on the indicator. So that's the Bitcoin price right now. It's currently needs to go above this previous resistance, which is a weekly resistance. And if Bitcoin breaks the next resistance, I'm thinking that it will go, it's 8,300, 8,200 level. So any questions? Do you want to go to see other major pairs like Ethereum, etc? Right now it's a great coin to buy, even though it's in a formation rising wedge, but it broke out from this. Let's go to etc. Let's see first the trending coins like etc. Excuse me. to the dollar. So yeah, I have some alerts. Alerts says ETH BTC is going bearish. The PSAR, which is a great also indicator. So let's go first for Ethereum Classic. This coin, if we go from my strategy, inside bar strategy, so this is a breakout, and your target, we need to go to the weekly level. Your target should be this level, because look how much it failed, it closed here, it opened here, and look how much the wicks got rejected. So if we want to be bullish on this coin, we need to go above this price, and the next, if we go above, the next resistance is probably here. So yeah, the next level to watch for ETC is if this holds, like this level, if this weekly level closes, the next resistance is going to be 446. But if we go on the micro level, like on this, like on the 4 hour, we have clear rising wedge or ending diagonal. I don't know how they say. Yeah, we have some thing called rising diagonal, and probably, yeah, there is a bearish divergence here. So currently for this pair I'm short. And also if we go from the inside bar strategy, this is a mother bar, so if this one will continue, wants to continue higher, needs to break this high. But if Bitcoin does this thing like going higher, the alts will dump pretty bad. So in what positions I am? My positions are with Bitcoin, EOS BTC. As you can see, EOS is currently a great short opportunity. We had a rising wedge, and the target for this rising wedge is, we can take this high, put from the breakout. The target for this is 0.00324. Also, if we look at the weekly level on the daily, we have bullish butterfly, which is a harmonic pattern. And if we go at the weekly level, this is the level to watch, 2316. So yeah, this level 2316 is a potential buy zone for me, because if we see on the weekly, let's go on the weekly, this was a level this coin went from to parabolic. You can see how much it went. Let's go to the auto. So this is a key level to watch if you are EOS believer. And this pattern is also a bullish butterfly pattern, which is 1.6.31 something pip extension from the BC, and it gives you confidence to this zone, because this is a previous support. And that's for EOS. I'm also short on Qtum. As you can see, let's remove the drawing tools. This is a how do I say, This is a sideways pattern, but there was a nice rejection wick to the down, from the downside to the upside. But if we go on the daily, we can see that this is a key level to watch, this level. But if we draw the trend lines like this, we can see there is a possible bearish descending triangle. So if this breaks below this key resistance, the key support, your target will be from here to here, which also there is a confluence zone from this. And if you go short, let's go to the price range too. 9% gain for 3% loss. That's a great risk to reward ratio, if you ask me. So for Qtum, this is a key level to watch, 238. I'm short. Also, if you look, the RSI is in the bearish zone, the momentum is not trying up, is going on the downside. So that's about Qtum. Let's go to other coin which I'm short, with USD Binance Tetris. Yeah, this coin, I saw that this was a clear downtrend, if you ask me. So why a downtrend? Because it broke this key resistance. Yeah, it's above it, but if you look also on the 4 hour, there is a clear bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. So let's go and see. We have a higher high, but the indicator is lower high and the momentum is going to the downside. So if you go, this is a hidden bearish divergence, because there is the indicator is higher but the price is lower. And also if we look, there is a key resistance here. If we go on the weekly, let's go on the weekly. Yeah, if you go on the weekly, you can see pure price action. So we had a bearish spinning doji or a shooting star candle, and the price went below that. So when you have this kind of candle, it's a great short opportunity, because look every time it went like this is a shooting star candle and the price went below this price. Look how much downside it went 58%. So this is only from pure price action. And also we can look, there is a clear bearish divergence on the weekly level. We have a higher high and also maybe a double top. Yeah, and this is a confirmation to going to the downside. So key level to watch about this coin is this level. So if you're short from here, let's say we are short from here, that's 27% gain. And to the downside, yeah, not a great time to get short, but you can dollar cost average here. Let's see comments. Zcoin and Beam. Let's go Zcoin. Okay, Zcoin. So if we go on the weekly, this is a clear downtrend. Where is the shitcoin police? This is a key level, which if you can see, Zcoin went from, how much downside is this? So if when this broke, it went how much down? 85%. So if you're long, I don't know. I don't see. I see some clear bullish divergence. Yeah, the momentum on the weekly is going to the downside. So probable accumulation period, maybe testing this level, because yeah, it was tested. This level was tested. So if we want to be bullish, this is a key resistance right now. Maybe no, I don't see any potential trade from here. This is a shitcoin from the shitcoins, all from the shitcoin list, from the the worst shitcoin I ever seen. If you look at from this, yeah. So if I was a holder, I will be selling it. No, not holding this. Let's see on the daily. On the daily, yeah, probable bullish divergence, but man, how bad it is. So if you're long, if you want to be long and bullish for this coin, it needs to break this resistance. And from the pure perspective for TA, yeah, I have traded this kind of patterns when they were to the downside, but and yeah, you can gain so much more because look at the gains. If you trade it like this shitcoin from the top to the bottom, 30%, and after that there was a major sell-off. So yeah, this is not the best coin to hold, and I will sell it if I was in your place. Ion, let's go to Ion. Ion Exchange. Ion Bitcoin. Someone was shilling this coin and I was probably doing some TA on this coin. I was buying it from here and I sold some here, and after that there was so much downside. So clearly there is some trading range. You have a low, a higher low. Let's go on the weekly. So yeah, this is sideways section. If we go on with this inside outside bar, currently it's below this this bar. So if you want to be bullish on this coin, it needs to break this resistance, and after that it needs to hold this resistance and go much higher. Yeah, nothing spectacular about this coin because there is nothing to add. Like, who hold this stuff? There is no. Yeah, there was some dudes who promoted these coins. Like, if I can add an alert, so let's put some here. Break 1008 and next resistance 2074, because yeah, if you look the price action, it never tested this range, it never broke from this range, so if it breaks, the next target is probably this, which is not a not a great risk to take, but yeah, you need some confirmation. I wouldn't trade this because it's very, how do I say, very challenging and not very bullish. Even the RSI is telling you stay out. There is a bearish zone on the weekly. Yeah, I know. I know about Ion, but you know, it's people will buy, so it's up to you to decide. I'm here for the TA. Yeah, if this coin breaks 10,008 Satoshi, 1,008 Satoshis, you will get like 1,060%, 168%. Any other coin? Let's see what happened to Matic. So my coin for shorts is Matic. And yeah, if you can see, this level was very key level to watch, and clearly this is a rejection, so the next thing, Matic will go probably to the downside, probably to here, and if it holds, it will maybe go sideways, maybe for me, if it wants to be bullish again, it needs to break this high, not like this is what happened. So we had a low, a high low from this, and then probable trend reversal, and look what happened, a clear sign of bearishness. Look at the rejection. This is called shooting star candle. So if the next candle trades below probable trade opportunity, if you are short, probable trading opportunity is to the downside. So we should wait for the daily candle. If this holds, yeah, then there is a probability of breaking, but Bitcoin needs to chill out. So if it doesn't chill out, it needs to go, it will go lower to this zone. So let's give it a short. So yeah, let's go to the lower time frame. So what I have also been seeing, it's a probable bullish Gartley, but yeah, something like this. Because we have hit the 6.18 Fibonacci zone, and that's a Gartley. Probably it will test again this level, and this is a probable beam reconnection. Let's go beam BTC. Okay, this is a coin with some potential. So this is a probable reversal pattern. Why? Because we have clearly lower highs and lower lows. So let's see, we have some bullish confluence, which this pattern maybe is a double bottom. So yeah, this is a coin to watch. If we want to go higher, we need to break this high. So, but there is some also bad news. Yeah, we have bearish confluence in bullish patterns, but also the trend is on the downside. So if you hold this key level to watch, 899 key level. Let's go on the 4-hour to see if there's some bullish divergence. No, maybe this. Let's see. Yeah, this is probably a bullish divergence, but this is on the 4th hour, and clearly someone is buying this support. This is a clear buy signal, so yeah, if you are traders, you want to be clear for this to close above this, and if you close above this, the next thing is this resistance. So yeah, this is a triangle formation. We have lower highs and lower lows, symmetrical triangle, and it needs to break 900 Satoshi if you want to be bullish and hold above it. Beam. So that's my beam analysis. Anything else? Let's see Bitcoin again. So right now there is some kind of profit taking because this is a key resistance. It was a support and blew to the moon. Who took this long was the greatest trade in the world, like in 2 hours, in 8 hours. No, how much? 1, 2, 3 in one day, 45%. that's insane. No forex, no crypto. Forex is great also, but if you like volatility, crypto is better. And if you also bought this, which I bought, which this was a clear bullish, let's see, bullish, no bullish bet, yeah. It didn't close below. I didn't have a stop loss. I bought some here and I sold right here because it was previous resistance. I didn't think it will blow higher, but that's it. If we go to with bullish Gartley, there is a clear resistance here. Then your next target is 8,200. So yeah, there are so many confluence zones above 7,300. So I will watch Bitcoin. If it breaks above 7,300, my I will go long, and my target will be 8,200, and my stop will be 7k. Yeah, 7k. So this is a great risk to reward ratio. 3 to 1. Yeah. If you so yeah, let's take some notes here. 7,300 level to break 8,200 next level. Put it here. So that is Bitcoin. Zcash. Okay, let's go Zcash. There is no Zcash. Maybe other coin. Do you have a link? Do you have a link for Zcash? Maybe crypto charts? I don't know. Crypto charts. So charts. Historical data. Coin market. Coin. Bitcoin and altcoin price. No. Is it this now? Zcash. Coin cryptocurrency calculator. Zcash coin codex. Yeah. No, I cannot chart this. If you have crypto chart EO, yeah, I think it was this. Top open source cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, Udon, Waves. Yeah, if you have some link where I can chart, I will chart it. Live stream. Let's try Ripple. Yeah, XRP. To the dollar. So this is a clear reversal pattern for Zcash US dollar, because we have ascending triangle, which is a neutral. Do we have some kind of bullish divergence? Let's see on the daily. Yeah, it's a clear sign there that there is some. It's really oversold, so it's going sideways, and there is some confluence zone. So if you're a trader with this inside outside pattern, you want Ripple to go above this high. And if I don't know what I have charted, but yeah. Let's see on the weekly where it is. So we had a clear bearish flag, and from now there is clear signs of downside potential. So do we have any resistance, support? Yeah, it broke this support, which was a key support. And if we go on the weekly, it broke this support, so not a buyer of Ripple. If you're like me, you want some kind of reversal pattern, and this is not a reversal pattern for Ripple. Let's go to see on some other coins, on some other exchange. Maybe on Bitstamp there is a clear sign. Short, yeah, I haven't added shorts here. 0.26 long, yeah. So XRP, if you want to be long, the next target is 0.127, which, if you see, was the previous trading range. Went parabolic to $4, or how much it went. Yeah, this is yeah, to $3. So Ripple fans, I'm sorry, but there is so much downside to go, about 38%. Ripple, you're crippled. Any other suggestions? Let's try Litecoin. Litecoin to the dollar on Bitstamp. Oh. So yeah, this is in a clear downtrend. If this week close below this, your next target will be this, which if you are short opportunist, you can go. Let's see how much downside there is potential. $32, and for was 50%. So 1 to 2 risk to revolt. And yeah, someone can call this a, I don't know how to call it, yeah, falling wedge, but look how much time it is in a falling wedge pattern. Yeah, it's also maybe it's the same pattern as this. So this is a lower high and this is a lower high, but also there is some kind of bullish divergence. Maybe there is a possibility of accumulation. So to conclude, I will add a longs here, and the risk to that is 20%, and the potential gain, maybe, let's see, if this is a re-dive pattern, I will be not a re-dive pattern. So this Litecoin loss does 0.618. So if you bought like from the $30, your target will be $120. Yeah, because it's fractals. It's clearly like it's the same thing like this. It never broke this low, and if it's broken $29, yeah, there is so much bad news below. There is no no floor, maybe $0, $3, I don't know. Also on my coin to watch is BNB, BTC. Also a great short opportunity. Why? Yeah. So if you're bullish on this coin, it clearly if it closes today like this, your next target is this support, maybe even lower here, because it's a clear support resistance. It went below, go above, it went above this high, and then it went parabolic. So you're short. Let's see how much downside from here. 80% the downside, and 30%. Is there some kind of bullish divergence? No. Probably hidden bullish divergence. But yeah, the indicator says bear. Clearly downside. And also if you're a fan of harmonics, I have posted this chart on my TradingView. You can follow me on TradingView Crypto Steph. We have a clear. Let's go. Okay, what? Some 5 minutes. What? Today. PSAR. ETC 4-hour PSAR turned bearish. So yeah, I was good about ETC, but on the Bitcoin price, oh, it went parabolic. Yeah, Bitcoin went parabolic again. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, guys, I'm buying this. This is a clear sign of bullishness. And as I said, my target is 7,400 or 8,200. This is a clear bullish sign. If this candle closes above, I will buy it. So how much time is it left? There is 1 hour left. And if if this is a reversal pattern, let's go on the weekly. Yeah, there is some kind of potential reversal here. So if you're a trader, this is called a hidden bullish divergence. And yeah, I'm buying this. For the next level is 8,200. So let's see if Bitcoin closes above $7,300. Don't FOMO right now. Then your next target is 8,200. So yeah, if Bitcoin does this maybe will be a double bottom, and if you're a double bottom fan, your target 8,200. Yeah, everything is 8,000, 8,400, 8,600. But my target for now is 8,200. And shitcoin, every shitcoin right now is dumping like hell. EOS dump, ETC dump, IOST, some shitcoin also dump. So right now I'm bullish because also there is some clear resistance of in the 4 hour. Let's go on the 4 hour. You see there is a clear break of the resistance. Right now we're watching if this candle closes above this support and you want to buy it, and you can also say your next target will be 20k, 8,020. Let's see what people next coin. If you want to request some coin like Evo, please comment on your on the live stream, and I will gladly respond with positive or negative. So yeah, BTC right now is breaking out. It needs to close above 7,300, and the next level is 8,200. Let's okay, tell me which send me some message on Facebook. Okay, info Binance. Okay, info Binance, Zell Cash. Let's go Zell Cash. Let's see where it. Oop. Okay, Zell Cash. Oh, where is the? Okay, where is the shitcoin police right now? So yeah, this coin, let's go on, does have some kind of tools to trade, chart by trading view. Okay, but there is no Zell Cash here, so doesn't matter. So there is some kind of trading range. If you can see, there is some kind of potential of higher lows on the weekly. So yeah, probably there is some kind of, I don't have indicators, but if I see from the price section targets for this, maybe if it goes sideways, this is not a shit coin maybe for for the purpose, because it makes high lows every time. This is a low, this is a high low, and this is maybe potential high low. And if you're a harmonic trader, there is some kind of harmonic here, because we have maybe 0.5 and 0.886, and this was a potential buy zone. So this coin, if you're a trader, your next level to watch if it breaks here is this level, 0.084 cents. And that's for Zcash. No, there weren't some indicators. No, there was nothing on the left side. Do you want to see Raven coin? Raven USD, Binance. There are also some people who watch this coin. I'm also a trader for this coin. This is a clear indication, maybe for a possible reversal zone. We don't know. Let's see on the weekly level. Nope. So key resistance to watch is 0.02466 for Haven coin. There is no other no trading history for this coin. But also, if you're a trader, there is a clear, on the 4 hour, there is a clear breakout trade, and also the RSI is in bullish territory above 50. And if you're a harmonic trader, this was a clear, maybe potential harmonic trading pattern. Maybe 786, 7, let's see. And your net target will be here, 7.86. This is a Gartley, no, Gartley's 618. So if this is a bullish bet, 886 is a level to watch. Yeah, here. And to the downside, probably this. And if we go, if you want to buy this coin from here to here, your target will be 1272, which is a clear resistance if you ask me. But on the daily, we have an inside bar making, and probably there is some sign of reversal. No, there is no sign of reversal of buy a seller's exhaustion. Here was a sign of seller exhaustion, and if you are also a trader of patterns, this was a clear bearish pattern, a clear rising wedge. So if you're trading rising wedges, you should know that every time breaks this support, it will make a lower high, and after that it will sell off even lower. So key levels to watch if you're I will put a flag on it. These are the key levels to watch. 886 and 786. So probably it will make a lower high and then sell off. Or if it breaks this high, it can go even higher. I don't know how is Raven BTC. No. Raven BTC is another story of shitcoin. But shitcoins pump better than Bitcoin, so who cares? If you trade it, you trade it. So if you're a Raven coin, you want your price on Bitcoin to rise and also your USDT value. Right now, we had some great pump on Raven coin, but no, there is no clear sign of bullishness right now on Raven BTC. Let's see what do you want to hear about Ethereum? Okay, let's go to Ethereum chart. ETH BTC. Let's see what these alerts are telling us. ETH. Let's go on the USD. Which has the most history. Poloniex. Where's Poloniex? So I have charted some Elliott waves. Okay, TRX is breaking out. Let's go TRX. So first, let's go to the ETH. Clearly, there is some kind of pattern building. This is a descending channel, clear descending channel, which do we see some kind of bullishness? Maybe we had a, if you're RSI trader, we had a clear rejection and the price went, it will get higher. And if you're a trader on the inside bar trading, it needs to go above this high. So yeah, right now we have breakout, but nothing is convincing because this is key resistance right now. Let's go on the weekly level. On the weekly level, there is some clear bullish signs, like you can look. There is some clear signs of seller exhaustion, but the RSI is telling us the other side of the story. So ETH key levels to watch. This 109, 100, which was a previous support, now turn resistance. Now, which was a previous support, and the other resistance right now is $157. So if you shorted Ethereum, you got a nice, how much gain? In 2 weeks gain, let's see, 23%. So if you shorted with 1000 contracts on BitMEX or Binance, that's a great trade. So if you want to long, this is a low risk area to long because the downside is so much lower than the upside. The upside is 40% and the downside is 25. But I wouldn't hold Ethereum right now because there is no clear signs except the bullish divergence, and there is no sign of any pattern except this tightening range, which we have lower highs, lower lows in a descending channel, and key resistance to break is this level 185. And then if we break this level, maybe we can go even higher. So the next level to watch is the 330 level. Neo. You can see my alerts are going on altcoins like crazy. TRX is also a great coin to see. TRX USD. TRX USD. Not on Binance. Binance. Yeah, this is Binance. So as you can see, this is a clear support range, and right now, do we have some kind of bullish divergence? Yep. Probably. Let's see on the other side. Yeah, this is a clear sign of bullish divergence. And this is a low. This is a higher low. So there is some kind of bullish divergence. Let's see on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, there are great signs of potential mini bull trend, and if we can see that this high was a key resistance, and if we want to be bullish, it needs to break above it. So if you go long on TRX, which my alert says to go, your next target is this. So how much potential to the upside there is? 15%, and to the downside, on that price range. So if it breaks and retests, you should 3% is okay. So clearly TRX is doing some kind of reversal, but there is so much, the proof is still on the bulls if we want to go higher. Maybe on the weekly we'll see which is the next level to watch. Next level to watch on the weekly level, yeah, look perfectly. This was clearly a level which when it break went higher. So if we want to be bullish, it needs to break and hold above it. But the other side is telling us there is some kind of bullish confluence, which is also great because there is here a clear support with which was 1, 2, 3, 4 times touched. So this is a clear. Oh, ETH went bullish. This is a clear support and this is a clear resistance. Let's see what happened to Neo BTC. Okay, so Neo BTC on the weekly, this is a clear demand zone, so probably this is a good potential buy. Let's see on the daily. This candle was a clear rejection. Let's remove this, which I have charted. So yeah, if you want to go short, there is a clear short opportunity on this coin. Why? Because we have a bearish breakout, and here now it's sitting and doing nothing. And also there is clear bearish divergence on the daily. And the RSI is also bearish. So if you want to short this, which I will do, if it breaks below, let's turn off magnet mode. So you got 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and this was maybe probable a bear channel. Yeah, so if you're trading this for bearish, this is a clear bear channel, needs to hold above it. If it breaks below, your target is right here at 890 Satoshi. What alerts it gave? ADA 4-hour start turned bullish. ADA BTC bearish. So I have charted this for ADA, which is bullish cipher pattern. So if we go by harmonics, this is a key level to watch. It's when you trade harmonics, you want to see some bullish confluence. So is there some kind of bullish divergence? No, it's oversold. But maybe on the 4-hour you will see some kind of bullish divergence. Probably if it breaks here, you want to go short. Let's go if you want to go short. How much downside there is? 4%, and okay, 2 to 1% gain. So for ADA BTC, also this is a clear bearish band, and yeah, if we go by the book, you know what this means. It means lower prices. It means going back here. So yeah, if cancel. The downside for this pattern is 11%, but if it holds, your first target is 4.10%, and after that you can add to the short, because this is a key level and there are potential buyers who want to buy this dip. And you can look 1 time, 2 time, third time, maybe 4 time is a charm, we don't know. Let's see other coins. BNB we went. XMR. Okay, let's go XMR. BTC. So yeah, XMR. 1 week. Always go on the weekly level. So yeah, you have a clear resistance. So if it goes something this from here, it can sell off to even lower prices. Do you know some charts? XMR, BTC. Let's see on Poloniex, maybe. Okay. So we can see clearly there's some kind of support here. So yeah, if this breaks, your next support for XMR is how much to the downside? 33% to the downside. So if you want to go short, you want to short here, and you want to target 38%. You can short on Binance this coin. And is there some kind of bullish divergence? Yeah, there is some kind of bullish divergence going, but they are no buyers. They are not interested in this coin. Clearly, they are interested more in Bitcoin. And also, if you're if you chart pattern, you have a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. Okay, what's next? IOST 4-hour script up. Let's go to this coin IOST. Tetherus Binance. So yeah, clearly another shitcoin, but shitcoins you can trade and trade with good management. You can trade this and you can make so much money. So if we go by the book, this is a clear support level. Another support level, which is now resistance, is this level, and next level is this one. So this is a clear sign of bullish. No, there is no clear sign of bullish divergence yet, but if you are an RSI trader, this is a clear sign of bullish divergence, probably. But if you want to be bullish on this coin, it needs to hold above this price. You can see there was a dip here and the price went parabolic. How much gain? 100% gain. That's nice. So do we have a short opportunity? Yes, because if this candle closes below this, your next probable level is 20% gain. So this is a short opportunity for IST, and your target is here. But if it holds this day, it can go even higher. Is there some kind of bearish divergence? No. There's some kind of bullish divergence on the daily. And that's that. Any other stuff you want to cover? If there is no other stuff to cover, let's see what Bitcoin does. And we can close the live stream. So let's see on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, there is some kind of Bitcoin is going overbought, so probably it will go here, retest, and then move higher. On the 4 hour, clear bullish engulfing candle. So if this is the price, if this is currently close, if it closes like this, like I told in the live stream, my target for this pattern is 8,200. You can see this level. 8,200 is the next resistance. And I hope you like my live stream, and thank you for watching. You can follow me. Don't forget to smash the like button, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media. Links are in the description. Bye.